Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Stunt Elves car with a remote control. This is a car that is currently available now in the various e-commerce platforms that I sell my products from, and we are just going to do the unboxing setup and test it out. Before we continue with the video, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. So let's have a look then into the Stunt Elves car. So looking at the box here, it indicates that it has LED light, full function, cool drifts, alternative tires, and it's got the 2.4G frequency here. Some additional information here on the side, an illustration here of the stunt car, and on the other side the same thing. And that is it really for the box. So let's get this one open, and it's sealed, so let's open it up, see what it looks like, set it up and test it out. Okay, so let's open it up and here we go. Oh, sweet. Okay, so inside the box, so nothing else there. Inside the box we've got our stunt car. Wow, it looks pretty awesome. Okay, I'll wait to test this out. We've got a remote control. We've got some cables to charge up the battery, and we've got an instruction manual right over here. The instruction manual is in English as well as in Chinese. Okay, awesome, great stuff. So let's have a look here into the items or accessories that come through. So we've got this power cable here to charge up the car. So we will need some batteries here for the remote. So looking at the remote control, we've got the up and down button here. So this will be for your speed. Then we've got left and right yoke here for you to turn. Then we've got these, I believe this is to go sideways, go left and right. We've got an indicator here in the middle. Then we've got these two buttons and a button here in the middle as well. I'll have a look at the manual to see what they mean. And then we've got this where should be the antenna. There's nothing here, so I'm gonna pop this and leave it as it is. And then at the bottom here, we've got the battery compartment. I'll open this up, install the battery, and we'll get it set up. So looking at the stunt car itself, so looks pretty awesome. So we've got the main body here. We've got these two wheels here. So if you hit something, you can rotate. We've got two at the back and two at the front, so 4 of them. Then we've got these massive wheels here. So this will allow you to go sideways, forward, back, front, and then turn around, etc. So it looks pretty nice. And then we've got the 2 LED lights here at the front. And what else have we got here? So we've got the power button. So it's currently off, so you can turn it on there. So it looks like it has some battery as the lights came on. And then I'm just going to turn it off. I'm going to fully charge it, and then we're going to test it and see how this works. So to charge the car, we've got the charging cable here. One end it's a normal USB, and the other one it's a jack. So I am going to just unroll this, and to charge it we're going to connect the jack over on this side. It's currently off, and I'm going to connect this to a USB port, which I do have one available. So I've connected now to a USB port, and it is now currently charging. There is no light here indicating that it's charging or when it's finished charging, but it is connected to a USB port. So the instruction manual indicates that the charging time is between 30 to 60 minutes, and the usage duration is about 30 minutes. The remote control distance is between 20 to 25 meters. So whilst the car is charging, I'm just going to place it away. We are going to install the batteries on the remote control. Note that the batteries are not included. So let's pop this one open. So they include a small Phillips screwdriver, and the batteries that we want to put here, it's 2 AA batteries. So like I mentioned, the batteries are not included, but I do have some batteries available here for us to perform some tests, and we're going to need 2 AA batteries for this test. So we've got the batteries here. So first battery in, second battery in, and let's pop this in, close the battery compartment. That is done. So it's flashing red here now, and I'm just gonna bring up the car here. I have turned it on now, and on the remote control I can now go forward. Oh, yep, there you go. Back and forward, and left and right. Then I can go to the sides as well. It's very, very responsive. So let's go again. Oh, forward, back. Very, very responsive. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. Wow, it's not only goes like sideways, it goes like, if I press the M button here, it just goes crazy all over the place. And then of course we've got these buttons here which allow the car to go diagonally. So I'm just gonna take this downstairs, make some moves with it, and let's see how this works. Okay, so we got the car here, and if you can see, it goes forward, goes back. Very, very responsive. If I press the M button, it just goes crazy all over the place. There it goes. Pretty cool, hey? So let's go over to the right, go sideways, and let's go over to the left, right. Oh, this is pretty cool. Yeah, that's it. Wow. Pretty cool toy. So this is how it works, and it's currently available for sale in the different e-commerce stores. So we've got these available here in the UK on Amazon, on eBay, Gumtree. In Portugal, we've got them available on olx.pt as well as custojusto.pt. If you don't find them, give me a shout out and post a comment in the comment section below, and I will sure to get back to you with a link. Thanks for watching. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video.